Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the receiver model and current firmware so you know compatibility and specific fixes. Once done, power cycle the unit, unplug the power, wait 30 seconds, then reconnect to clear memory glitches. While it reboots, inspect the original power adapter and cable for damage or loose pins. Make sure the LED behavior matches the manual. These first actions remove transient faults and establish a known baseline for deeper troubleshooting. You now focus on physical links and the radio environment because many receiver problems stem from bad connections or interference. Start by reseating antennas and inspecting coax or USB cables. Swap with a known good cable if needed, as small breaks cause big drops. Next, scan for nearby channels and move the receiver a few feet from Wi-Fi routers, cordless phones, or microwaves to reduce interference. Finally, set the receiver's input mode and observe the signal meter to guide further steps. You finish by applying software fixes and validating stability. First, update the firmware with the vendor tool, following model-specific instructions to avoid mismatches. If issues persist, perform a factory reset, but export or note your settings beforehand so you can restore them. After resets or updates, run a 10 to 30-minute stability test while streaming or receiving expected signals and log any dropouts or error LEDs. If problems continue, that log plus model and firmware notes will speed support or replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.